Hello guys, welcome to day 5 of 30 days English speaking challenge, and now you have already seen my last video, day 4th, and where I talked about which books I am using, and also I think you are also using another books which you have bought for learning English. So yeah, after learning English using books and learning more sentences, more structures, it is good. But you are translating everything while speaking English, it is bad. If you are translating everything in front of anybody, anywhere, so it takes a long time. I think you already realize that it is not working while talking, while speaking. And while reading, while writing, you are translating it, it takes time to do everything. So try guys to not translating everything. Think in English, try to think in everything in English. So while you speak in English, so it not take time to translate. Don't translate. Just think. Like I think many people speaks more languages, more than one, more than two. Just like I speak Marathi and Hindi. So I don't translate Hindi while watching any movie, while speaking with everybody. I also not translating Marathi from Hindi to understand what the Hindi person said to me, so I can tell anybody in Marathi. It is simple, just think in English. When you think in English, when you start thinking English, so it not takes any time, not more efforts to speak. It happens automatically. So try to think in English, every word, every sentence, everything when you want to talk with them, with anybody. And it is the thing that I wanted to share with you. And I also think that you already realized many of the people from speaking, from doing these things. But somebody who don't know, it is for that. Thanks guys.